Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button down below. It feels so weird I never say that, but I think I'm gonna start saying that. Today I have a tutorial over this look right here. I asked you guys on Twitter what you guys were interested in seeing for my next video, and you guys chose a Valentine's Day makeup look. If you are not following me on Twitter, make sure you go and follow me so that you can be a part of choosing what videos you want to see and other random things that I make polls out of because I do it a lot. So last Valentine's Day, I did a more sultry look. If you are interested in seeing that and you haven't already, I will have that linked down below in the little card thing right here. Make sure you go and check that out. But this year I was inspired. I wanted to do something like pinky red, so this is what I came up with. Let me know which look you guys prefer, the one I did last year or the one that I did just now. Yeah, I'm not going to make this intro too long, so if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm priming my eyelids using my Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer because it's nice and creamy and it will help to cover up the veins on my eyelids. And then I'm setting that with the shade WOS from the Naked Basics palette. Then I'm dipping into my Modern Renaissance palette and creating a transition shade in my crease using Blonde Fresco and just building that up. Then I'm dipping into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and taking Candy Peach in my crease just to add more pink tint to the crease. Then I'm taking my Fuego, I think it's called Fuego, eyeshadow palette and using this reddish pink shade in the crease as well. Then I am taking Red Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette, putting that in my crease, and I'm deepening up the outer V of my eye with this as well. Taking the Makeup Geek and Manny MUA collab and dipping into, I believe it's called Aphrodite, and putting that in my crease and all over my lid. This is a really pretty deep purple shade. And then I'm taking Mars and doing the same thing just to make it a little more pink. Then I'm taking my Tarte Clay Pot Gel Eyeliner and giving myself a wing. Moving on to the face, I'm priming it using my Catrice Prime and Fine Illuminating Primer and using my Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade, what is this, Porcelain? For concealer, I'm using the Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm using that to clean up the line as well as brighten my under eyes in the middle of my face, and setting that using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just applying that with my beauty blender. For the under eyes, I'm doing pretty much the same thing. You can pretty much see the shades that I'm using and where I'm using them as I show them, because no point in repeating myself. Then I'm using the Essence Kohl liner for my lower lash line and smoking that out a little bit just to make it more smoky, sultry on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the Stila Kitten Karma. This is a glitter and glow. Most people put these on their eyelids, but it works great with an angled brush and a liner. Then for my lashes, this is from Kiss. It's just like a value set of their like natural lashes. And then BellaPierre Contour and Highlight Kit, taking that middle shade for my bronzer. For blush, I'm using Tarte Clay in Tarte. And then highlight is Becca Moonstone because I've been using this pretty much every single day lately and it's super pretty on my skin tone. I'm using that same Stila liquid liner thing for the inner corner of my eyes and then dipping into the Manny MUA palette and using Luna to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm setting that all with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And then for lips, I am using Plum Lipsense by Senegence and topping that off with the matte gloss so that my lips don't smudge or fade at all throughout the day. So there you guys have it. That was my Valentine's Day look for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. It helps my video get out there a little bit more. Anyway, I will see you all in my next video, and in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!